What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is pretty special for a couple of reasons. Number one, this is the first Alfa Romeo featured on this channel. Number two, you're probably wondering why I've been away for a while, not making videos. Well, aside from my procrastination, I'm actually working at a new spot. Long story short, I got promoted to customer at the last place. That's a long story that I don't even want to get into. But I'm at this new place and I have an Alfa for you. This is a Giulia. I believe it's a TI, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know all the trim levels of this thing, to be honest. Good looking car though. But let's get in the interior and see what we are working with. Legroom's actually acceptable. Let's check out the front. You guys apparently like the door handle test. Guys, if you're like me, if you're about 6'2", you're not going to like this car too much. I have the seat all the way down. Backrest is back just enough where I would feel comfortable. And my hair is touching the headliner. I hate that feeling every time I get into a car. So this car personally wouldn't work for me. But again, if you're below 6'2", maybe it would. But let's see the interior. And now for the button test. And now for the final button. There's your odometer, in case you were wondering. Alright, how did it do? Guys, this is, again, the first Alfa Romeo that I've featured on this channel. I've never even really driven one of these before until today, so I didn't know what to expect. Guys, I gotta say, the fit and finish was quite a bit worse than I thought it would be. Pretty much every area loudly squeaked. One area that did pretty good though was the center console, like the climate buttons and by the gear lever here. That area did mostly good. A couple little spots around here that made a noise. Otherwise pretty solid. The rest of it was kind of bad. Well, you know what? This area was okay too, by the glove box. That wasn't so bad. Everywhere else though sucked. The overhead console sucked. Gotta give it a 4 out of 10. As far as materials go, I think we are looking a little bit better here. A lot of the main areas, like the upper dash, most of the door is all going to be soft touch vinyl. That feels pretty acceptable to me. We do have some kind of wood here. Don't know if it's real or fake wood, but it feels to me like an open pore exposed grain wood. To me it actually feels pretty good, so I'm gonna stick with this is real open pore wood. I like that quite a bit. The seats, again, I could be wrong about this. They feel like man-made leather, you know, kind of rough. Still beats MB Techs. I will accept this. Headliner is cloth. Actually, it's not really a nice cloth. Sun visor is plastic. And then the buttons in here, I didn't know what to expect. If these were going to be the kind of like the rest of FCA's buttons, like in Jeep and whatnot. These buttons do look a little bit different than some of the Jeep models. However, they are still honestly nothing special. They don't feel bad or anything like that, but they look kind of uninspiring. They don't have a really solid click when you press down on them. It's just really nothing special. What I really don't like is this turn signal stock. This feels really stupid, like old BMW, where you click down, it goes back to the default position. That's why BMW drivers have the reputation for not using their turn signal. This has the same kind of turn signal, so Alfa Romeo is the new BMW, I guess. One button I do like in here, though, is the engine start button on the steering wheel. Reminds me of Ferrari. I guess they took some kind of inspiration from them. I have to admit, that is pretty neat. But otherwise, yeah, the interior is a little bit above average. Nothing wildly special, but not horrible either. For materials, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. So there you guys have it. The final score is 4 out of 10 for fit and finish, 6 out of 10 for materials. Please let me know your thoughts. I did get to drive this around just a little bit. I didn't go too fast or anything, but I have to tell you, out of every small sedan I've been in, I'm talking C-Class, 3 Series, A4, even the Cadillac counterparts, all these cars in the same class, this one has the best steering. Don't know if it has the best weight for the steering, but it is the quickest. If you just change direction just ever so slightly like this, the car literally darts in the other direction. I've never experienced that in a car like this. That's incredible. I know these have gotten pretty good reviews as far as the driving experience and handling. Again, I didn't push this car too hard, didn't go too fast. This is only a 4-banger, it's not that fast anyway. But holy hell, the steering is sharp on this car. I think if driving, though, is your main focus, man, this is the best car. I used to say that the Cadillacs and even the 3 Series were probably the best in this car's class for driving and handling and stuff. Now this is it. This one beats them all. But yeah, good driving car. If you can ignore the interior shortcomings, then you should probably buy it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for being patient with me again. Working at a new store, trying to adjust, trying to get some good inventory for you. They don't have a lot of luxury cars, I gotta tell you. So finding something like this was kind of difficult, but I'm gonna do my best, okay? Thank you for believing in me. Catch you guys next time. Peace.